I'm going to show you how to cut your weft strips without using a paper cutter. So you're going to work on the back of your piece and you're going to measure out each unit. I'm using 1/2-inch units here, but your measurements might be different. Remember to check whether or not your ruler has a mark that represents 0 or if 0 is the end of the ruler. All the rulers are different in this classroom. Slide your ruler to the other side of your paper when you go to make the second set of marks. If you rotate your paper, you risk having the points not line up. Then you are going to turn your paper and connect the 2 dots that you drew. You're going to repeat this process all the way across the page. Then you can use scissors or an X-Acto knife, cutting mat, and ruler to cut along your lines. It might be important for you to pay attention to how you've turned over each of your pieces so that you can repeat the same process. You might want your image to have some cohesiveness when you weave it back together. If that's the case, you need to keep your pieces in order. You may have decided to randomize your pieces, in which case the order doesn't matter, but in my case, whether I use the paper cutter or the scissors, I need to keep my pieces in order. In fact, I probably should have labeled them because I did eventually get them mixed up. And you're just going to go ahead and continue cutting the rest of your page.